Hello Beehives team. Firstly, thank you for shortlisting me for the position of General Manager. With regards to making a video and answering the two questions that you've asked for, first one being what achievements I'm proud of so far in my career. Let me begin by mentioning three generic ones that I am extremely proud of at this point. First one is the fact that I mentored a lot of people through my career, and all of them at this point of time are excellent leaders in their own right. They are at good position, doing excellent job in their own space and leadership roles. So I'm extremely proud of the fact that I was able to create some good leaders for the industry that I worked for. Second one being the fact that I'm blessed to enjoy enormous amount of credibility and respect across the board at all the locations and the people that I've worked with, be it my superiors, peer group, or the people who I interacted or who reported to me. I feel blessed and privileged really to enjoy their continued support and respect that I do even till date. Third one being, as I mentioned in my form that I filled really, I've done a lot of pre-openings throughout my career and also have been part of teams which have made a lot of changes in any location that I've worked. And the fact that the policies, procedures, or the systems that I put in place are still in use with no or little modification, it makes me feel really good that what I created or what I put in place is still adding value to people and to the place that it was meant for. So these are the three generic ones that I want to talk about. And now, talking about something specific, the most recent being my pre-opening assignment at the Courtyard in Fairfield on Outer Ring Road, which as a hotel, this twin hotel opened in 2015. December, and I was part of the pre-opening team as the director of operations for these two hotels. The fact that these hotels achieved what they did in the very short time of their opening and got a lot of rewards, recognition, not only from Marriott or the industry peer group or from the local authorities, the government, is a testament to the kind of effort that the team put in and what we really were able to create at that place. The hotel not only got awarded by Marriott as the best opening, it got recognized by local government as the best business hotel, it got recognition by the Lonely Planet, the HVS team. Apart from all the recognitions of it being the best hotel, that really drove from the fact that the hotel enjoyed a great loyalty from all the customers that it hosted. We had one of the best guest service scores in the industry, not only by our internal assessments, but also from the social media. It rose to #1 in platforms like TripAdvisor and some others within the first 1.5 years of it having opened. Both the hotels really, both the Courtyard and Fairfield. So from that point also it did very well. Talking about financial achievements of that hotel being a Courtyard, which is supposed to be a select service, at one point continued to do better ADR, rather the best ADR in the city. The profitability for the hotel was a number that I won't say it, but it was amongst the highest in the industry across Asia Pacific really. So the hotel did very well for Marriott, for its associates, and also for the ownership that invested in that hotel. So that is one of the recent of my tenure that I'm extremely proud of. Now talking about your second question, which says why should I really be hired for this position? Now, having worked with some of the best brands in the industry, be it Indian, started my career with Taj, then Hilton for a while, and then with Marriott being the longest one, I think I have grown through the ranks and learnt my way through, worked with some amazing leaders, and having done this, I have acquired the exact skill set that I understand are required for the role that you're looking for based on the job description that you mentioned, in terms of what do you expect the person to deliver and what do you expect the person to really have a skill set of, to be able to add value to the role as such. So I have, as I mentioned, I have been part of implementing new policies, procedures. I've been part of managing hotels, managing P&Ls and budgets for the hotel, managing returns for the owners and managing relationship with them. Apart from doing the strategy and sales and revenue for the hotel with the respective stakeholders, be it the internal team members or managing some of the key accounts for the hotel, working on long-term and short-term strategy for the success of the hotel over a period of time. These have been some of my key activities really over the past couple of years. So being a general manager in a hotel is really a holistic role. You're not only looking at the day-to-day operations, you're also managing your different stakeholders, be it a guest, be it your internal team members, be it the owners, be it the corporate as in Marriott management. So it has been a very holistic experience in the last, I can say at least 4 to 5 years that I have done all these jobs, and based on all of this, I feel extremely confident to be able to deliver to the expectation of what Beehive is looking for. And that's why I feel that I should be hired. So thank you, and do feel free to touch base for any further that I can add to the queries there might be. Thank you.